Good afternoon, my people. Good evening, good night, any which part of the world you know there. Today me I go take you down a memory lane and we go see what we had to do back in idea. You know, remember when we never had pipe in our yard and we had to go a little spring and we had to catch water and pour in our bucket. And let me tell you, after you pour your water in your bucket now, you take your bucket of water and you put on your cutter and you put your cutter on your head and you step across now and you walk up. And let me tell you, enough drum in our yard where we have to carry water, you know, and we have to full up that the drum there, you know. I tell you, memories, I tell you. So right now, I am going to walk up now and go along about my business and go along up at my house, go pour me water them in my drum. This is the life of back in the days, sweet memories. They may pick me nowadays, don't know about this here, because when they have to get water, they right at their disposal. They just get water right from the pipe. But let me tell you something. Them here sweet, sweet memories, you know. So me reach here now, and I go pour me water. Lord, me take off my bucket off of my head. Put on my cutter here so, and I pour me water in my drum here. Let me tell you no people, them your memories here, you know. Them no go away, you know. Them your memories are sweet, sweet memories. Anyways, as always, Mama Selva here. Take care of yourself and bless up.